DualSense controller issues in Pragmata on PC. Not detected, no input, adaptive triggers not working. Number 1, enable PlayStation support in Steam, main fix. Open Steam, go to Settings, Controller, General Controller Settings, enable PlayStation configuration support, restart Steam. This makes DualSense work like a native controller. Number 2, toggle Steam input, very important. Some games conflict with Steam input. Right-click Pragmata Properties, go to Controller, try both, enable Steam input, disable Steam input. One of these will fix detection instantly depending on game support. Number 3, use USB cable, fix adaptive triggers. Critical point. Adaptive triggers and advanced haptics usually do not work over Bluetooth. Plug controller via USB cable. This unlocks full DualSense features if supported. Number 4, close conflicting controller apps. Uninstall or close DS4 Windows, Input Mapper, Reway SD. These override input and cause controller not working issues. Number 5, update DualSense firmware. Use PlayStation accessories, connect controller, update firmware, fixes bugs, connection issues, and trigger problems. Number 6, reconnect controller properly for Bluetooth users. Remove controller from Windows Bluetooth, hold PS, create button to repair. Connect again, fixes detection problems. Number 7, force controller mode in-game. Inside Pragmata, go to Settings, Controls, switch to controller mode. Some games default to keyboard input. Number 8, reset controller, advanced fix. Flip controller, press small reset button back, hold for 5 to 10 seconds, fixes deep glitches. Number 9, fix controller connected but not working. Try this. Launch game in big picture mode, Steam, or add launch option. You can see the code in our conversation history. Forces controller input. Hash important reality check, adaptive triggers. Even if everything is set correctly, adaptive triggers only work if the game supports them on PC. For Pragmata, support may be limited or not fully implemented, especially in early demo builds. Best working combo, do this first. 1, enable PlayStation support. 2, use USB cable. 3, disable DS4 Windows. 4, toggle Steam input. 5, update firmware.